we discuss about velocity and its types. In previous class we have discussed about speed and its types. So let's see first what is the velocity is. Velocity is the displacement in per unit time, or you can say the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. So velocity is equal to displacement upon time taken. Since displacement is vector quantity, so velocity is itself vector quantity, and the direction of velocity is the direction of displacement. Clear? Since it is vector, so it may positive, negative as well as zero. It is denoted by an arrow mark, and its unit in CGS system it is same as that of speed, that is centimeter per second, and in MKS it is meter per second. Clear? Okay, so let's see the types of speed, types of velocity. First type, uniform velocity. Uniform velocity, or it is also called constant velocity. Second, non-uniform or variable velocity. And third, average velocity. Average velocity. And fourth, instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity. So let's see when velocity is said to be uniform velocity. If body displaces equally in equal interval of time, then the velocity of body is said to be uniform velocity. Clear? If we draw the graph between displacement and time for uniform velocity, then the nature of graph is straight line, as in the case of uniform speed. Suppose the slope of this graph is from the time axis is this one. So if we calculate the slope of displacement time graph from time axis, then slope is equal to, as you know, perpendicular by base. Perpendicular AB is equal to OC by OB, and here OC represent displacement, that is S upon T. So displacement upon time, it is velocity. It means the slope of displacement time graph from time axis for uniform velocity represent velocity. So with the help of graph you may calculate the respective velocity. Similarly, for uniform velocity, if we draw the graph between velocity and time, so since for each time the velocity of the body remains same, so the nature of graph is still straight line and parallel to time axis. Parallel to time axis. Suppose your graph AB, it is parallel to time axis. Let this point is C. If we calculate the area of this graph, so area is equal to length into width, that is OA into OC. OA represent velocity into time, and velocity into time is displacement. It means if we draw the graph between velocity and time, then area enclosed by graph represent displacement that traveled by the body in given time. Clear? By calculating the area velocity time graph, we can calculate displacement. By calculating the slope of displacement time graph, we can calculate uniform velocity. Clear? Then second type of velocity, non-uniform velocity or variable velocity. Non-uniform velocity means if the body displaces unequally in equal interval of time, or if body displaces equally in unequal interval of time, then in both the cases the velocity is said to be non-uniform or variable velocity. If we draw the graph between displacement and time for non-uniform velocity, then the nature of graph may ascending curve में डिसेंडिंग कर्व, में zigzag. It may in if displacement is positive, displacement is also negative, so it may ascending curve or descending curve or zigzag. Correct? So this is the nature of displacement time graph for non-uniform or variable velocity. Similarly, if we draw the graph between velocity and time for non-uniform velocity, again if velocity is suppose increases non-uniformly, then ascending curve. If velocity decreases non-uniformly, then descending curve. And suppose sometimes increases or decreases, then it may zigzag. So either ascending curve or descending curve or zigzag. And if body displaces along the negative direction, opposite direction, then also either ascending curve or descending curve or zigzag. Clear? So this is the nature of velocity time graph for non-uniform velocity. Then average velocity. Average velocity is the ratio of total displacement and total time taken. Total time taken. Clear? So this is the ratio of total displacement and total time taken. Now instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity is the velocity at any instant of time. Suppose if any instant of time, for very small interval of time, displacement is less, very less. So suppose it is ds and time is also very less, suppose it is dt. So instantaneous velocity means the velocity of body at any instant of time, that is called instantaneous velocity. So these are the types of velocities and also the nature of graph in between displacement and time and velocity and time. So it's all about velocity and its types. Thank you.